Okay, I've tried a lot of webcams, and I've never tried one that made me genuinely question how every other webcam company justify their prices. There is, until now. This is the OBSBOT Meet Flip. It costs $119, and by the end of this video you're going to understand exactly why I think it just broke the webcam market. Now, before I get into the specs, I want to start with the design because it tells you immediately that this isn't a normal webcam, because it folds. And it's not as a gimmick, because when you close it, the lens folds inward and is physically blocked. So that's the privacy feature. No software toggle, no lens cover you lose, no trust me I swear the camera is off, you fold it and it's done. And also no more tape over your laptop camera. And when you need it, you just open it, clip it to your monitor or laptop, and it's ready in seconds. Now, the whole thing weighs 37.7 grams. Like, just look how tiny this thing is. It's impressive. So it's just perfect, especially for laptops. I mean, if you compare it with the regular sized webcam, like, the difference is huge. This one is from OBSBOT too, which is a great webcam. And if you think about it, it's lighter than most people's earphones. You'll generally forget it's in your bag. Now let's talk about what's inside, because this is where it gets really interesting. The Meet Flip has a 48 megapixel alpha-inch sensor with a 1.8 aperture, and it's the same sensor technology you find in premium smartphones and professional cameras. So at $119 for a webcam, that shouldn't be possible. Yet, here it is, and you feel it in the image quality immediately. There's better dynamic range, lower noise in darker environments, and color reproduction that is noticeably more accurate than anything else at this price. So you're getting 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. Just choose the quality you want. And it pairs that sensor with PDAF autofocus. So face detection, the same technology in your smartphone camera. So it locks onto your face in 0.3 seconds. Like, the difference between this and a webcam with contrast autofocus is immediately visible. So there's no hunting, no drifting, it finds you and stays there. Now here's where I have to talk about something most webcam reviews skip over: the audio. Because you can have a beautiful image and still sound like you're calling from inside a tunnel. So the Meet Flip has an intelligent dual mic system, one omnidirectional and one directional microphone. And it has 4 audio modes you can switch between depending on what you're doing. Directional mode focuses on the voice in front and reduces everything around you, which is perfect for a busy room. Omni mode picks up everything, which is great for a group meeting in person. There's also dual directional, which captures front and back for face-to-face conversations, and pure audio mode if you want raw, unfiltered sound for your own processing, for example. And the AI noise reduction layer on top of all of this works, and it works really well. Okay, this is the pure audio mode, and there's a lot of noise here. It's coming from my iPhone. It's really loud here. And so this should be picking up everything. Now let's try the directional mode. My iPhone is here, right by my side. And this is directional mode. I didn't hear yet, but it should be listening just me. And this is really freaking loud. There you go. Really loud. And there's a directional mode again. And I'm showing you this one in particular because I think this is one most people will use. Okay, and this is the audio if you're in a quiet place like I am right now. And this is in pure audio mode. So this is how it sounds. Now let's talk about the AI features, because OBSBOT built a full suite of tools here that I generally find useful. AI auto framing keeps you centered in the frame as you move. You can set it to close up if you want a tighter frame on your face, upper body for a more professional look, or group mode if there are multiple people. Honestly, I just leave it on auto framing and forget about it. It does exactly what it needs to do without me thinking about it. And it hasn't let me down once. And I've been using it at least for 1 month now. And if you want to make quick adjustments, you can do it with a hand gesture or through OBSBOT Center. Now, the feature I want to highlight specifically is AI Magic Notes. So during any call on Zoom, Teams or Google Meet, it transcribes in real time with speaker identification. And after the call, it gives you a summary with the key decisions and action items. Every Meet Flip comes with 120 minutes of free usage included. And after that, it requires a subscription. Worth knowing upfront, but for anyone who does a lot of calls, it's generally useful. And 120 minutes lets you try it properly before deciding. So no more scrambling for notes, no more asking someone to repeat something, it's all there, searchable and organized. Also really cool is that in OBSBOT Center you have full control over the image. White balance, contrast, sharpness, exposure, all of it. So you can dial in exactly the look you want. Although you don't need to mess with anything. Like you just need to plug and play and the image quality is just incredible. You also get background blur, background replacement, and background removal if you need a clean virtual background without a physical one. Oh, and there's beauty filters. Not that it helps me a lot, but it's nice to have. There's also a built-in teleprompter mode that's great for filming. So you import your script, set the scroll speed, and you can read directly from the screen while maintaining eye contact with the camera. Like, just for comparison, I'm using a teleprompter right now with bullet points, and it cost me, I think it was $350, just a teleprompter. So $350, $119. So for anyone who films videos, records educational content, or does any kind of presenting, this is generally valuable. The compatibility story is also impressive. It's just plug and play on any computer, no drivers needed. It works with Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, Discord, YouTube, OBS, all of it. And also via the OBSBOT Live app, it connects directly to your iPhone or iPad over USB-C for mobile streaming. And it's also compatible with the Nintendo Switch 2 for gameplay recording. Now, I could end the video here, but there's more. So the mounting is flexible too. Monitor clip, tripod thread, landscape, portrait, even upside down if your setup requires it. And it fits monitors up to 20.5mm thick. So let me tell you why I said this just broke the market. Because at $119 you're getting an alpha-inch sensor, PDAF autofocus, 4K video, 4-mode intelligent audio with AI noise reduction, AI auto-framing, gesture control, AI transcription and meeting summaries, a teleprompter, and hardware privacy built into the physical design. I've seen webcams costing 3 times this much and offering half of that. Now, the only thing I would flag is that the built-in microphones, while generally good for a webcam, don't replace a dedicated external mic if you care deeply about audio for recording or streaming. But for video calls, meetings, and most content creation workflows, they are more than good enough. So for $119, this is generally the easiest recommendation I've made on this channel. I'll leave the link in the description along with a 5% discount code provided by OBSBOT. So thank you, OBSBOT. Now let me know in the comments what you use your webcam for and whether this is something you're considering. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.